So you mentioned the installation part, and that's been an area where we've partnered together for
Uh-huh.
sure. But I think that's one of the unique things about this tank is that not only is it the fiberglass and has all of the ratings and certifications and everything to keep the clean water clean, but just the way that the tank is delivered and assembled really makes that whole construction process simpler.
Exactly. That's one of the things also that as I mentioned to you at the beginning, he was trying to find some unique product that basically nobody has, keeps water clean. And one of the big problems, especially in buildings that they have basements or the tank inside, and it's so funny, I don't know how they do that. They put the tank and then they build a building around it. And then when they have to change the tank, they scratch their head, you know. But so one of the things is it's a modular tank, so you can put it in any way in any room. You can just walk in through any door and hold the panels and bolt them together and do that. On the other side also, you can put in any shape that you want. So you can do an L shape, U shape, S shape, any shape that you want, as long as you still have the 90-degree angles
Right.
on the
Right.
corners.
And we've already run into pretty much all of those
Yes, we did.
challenges so far. I mean, we've had new construction where the building was already up and the room was already up, and so they carried the panels in by hand through the service elevator to get in,
Uh-huh.
and that wasn't an issue and be able to build it in place. In the aftermarket, we've gone into basements and other tight rooms, taken them in through the service elevator, and been able to build them in place. And we've done an L shape, I believe.
Yes, we've already done one
Did an L shape, and we've also
for the Christian Community Center. We did that.
right. And the other thing that's been great has been able to work with y'all and all of the kind of engineering changes that y'all have been able to make to add the modular steel base and to accommodate the partition for the domestic and fire combination tanks with the interstitial space. All of that we can accomplish with the tanks and build them in place.